Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alicia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, thank you for coming back. So today I'm reviewing this wig that I received from Tinashe hair. This is my second time working with them. This wig is beautiful. I am obsessed. I am so obsessed. It is so beautiful. If you guys want to see me unbox this wig, style it, all that good stuff, please continue to watch. Also, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig. Anything that I don't mention will be in the description box below. And if you don't find it, please leave it in the comments because I'll respond to all of them. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram right here. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, let's get right into it. This is what the box will look like when you get it. It says Tinashe hair on there, and I am going to show you guys what comes inside. Inside, you will get the wig and a card that has all the information on there. Then they also send you this baggie with some goodies in it. Let me show you what's inside here. All right, so you got wig caps, comb, baby hairbrush, 2 clips, a bonnet. It looks like a blue bonnet, lashes, and a comb. All right, so the wig I'm reviewing today is a 22-inch body wave. This hair feels so soft, you guys, absolutely so soft. It is a honey highlighted wig. It's a 13 by 4. We've got our 4 combs here, adjustable straps, extra lace that I just cut off here. This is what the edges look like. I'll probably end up plucking this a little bit off camera. It does have some baby hairs as well, but the edges do look pre-plucked. It looks really good actually. I probably won't have to pluck that much at all. But yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do a side, I'll probably do a side part today actually. Oh my gosh, this hair feels so good. I love these highlights in here too. It's like kind of subtle, not too much. And I like the dark contrast, really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and pluck this some more off camera, throw some foundation on the lace. I'm also gonna cut the lace off camera today, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I'm going to style it. She looks beautiful though. I love this. All right, we'll be right back. right, you guys, this is the finished look. I have styled this wig. It's looking real good. It looks real good. I threw some foundation in the parting. I didn't do any baby hairs this time around. You know, just let it be real natural. Real natural. I'm loving the highlights. I love how it's lighter up here and then it just like gradually gets darker. It's getting very natural with a highlight. I love that. This, honestly, what did I do? So I went in with a curling wand. I went in with this curling wand, if you guys watched. I went in with this one, and then I just did my bangs with the flat iron and just like flat iron the ends as well. And it came out really, really nicely. I love it. I love this. Like, this is a wig that I would wear like on the daily basis. I would definitely wear these on, I would definitely wear this on the daily basis. It's really, really cute. It's definitely my style. The lace is obviously amazing. It looks so natural. Like, let's get in. Can we get into this? Like, this definitely looks like my natural hairline for sure. But yes, so again, this is a highlighted honey highlighted wig. It's a 13 by 4. It's a body wave and it's 22 inches. So yes, it looks very, very beautiful. I love it. I love, 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 love. And I'm such a tomboy. Like, I love the hoodie look with like a full beat face and like done up hair, a hoodie and some jeans. Like, ugh, that's so my style. Like, that's just me. Like, if you know me, like, that's just me. Okay? But yes, make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig, where you can find this wig, discount code, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.